The reopening of this landmark in particular is of significance and immense significance given the history that it holds and given the fact that tourists want to see something about the island. They want to see something that is historical, something that tells a story, and this lighthouse, this fort, tells a story about our history, our checkered history.
It's an added attraction to Fort King George. You just don't go drive up to Fort King George, come out, walk around and disappear, no.
What you can see now is that they will have an increase in visitors to this site, especially in the night. Because when I was a boy, you used to see here full with people. So this is a main attraction.
It will augur well for tourism, and you have something else to look forward to market Tobago as a site to visit.
I grew up watching people take their wedding pictures here. So we imagine that once that decking is completed and it has the picturesque views of the Atlantic side of Tobago as well as Scarborough, that persons who are getting married in Tobago can count Fort King George as one of the iconic sites that they could come again and take their pictures and create those memories that last a lifetime.
I'm very happy to see the opening of the Lighthouse Tower, and I would also like to see that there's some sort of course to visit the lighthouse as well. Also, we have students to come and visit the lighthouse and make it part of their learning as well.
From a historical point of view, we get a lot of visitors who are quite interested and keen to understand more about Tobago. So I think this as an element is definitely going to help, I think, largely with the cruise business, but even in terms of the guests staying at hotels wanting to come out here to learn and get more information. I think this, along with all the other things in the area, will definitely aid in that tourism business.